Okay, we're kind of on these back streets of Taipei. I'm not exactly sure where we are. I'm going to label the ones where I think we are. We'll also look for clues of where we're at as well. But we're kind of in these like little neighborhoods. That arrow is kind of telling us to go that way, and that does look like the most interesting way. And my goal is to try to get lost a little bit in these little neighborhoods, so I'm gonna probably go like that and go down that way. So okay, so stay tuned, and we're gonna check out more of Taipei and these little back alleys and try to get completely lost in it. Check it out, Taipei 2023. Oh yeah, okay, so I'm kind of getting this kind of like little sea of stuff that's like looks pretty similar. Here's a guy coming in a motorcycle. Let him go by real quick. Let's see, I think he's gonna turn, he's gonna come my way, so we're gonna follow him. Oh, look at this. It's like a little industrial stuff like that. Yeah, actually, go in any direction here. That looks cool. This is the street I was gonna go because this one looks like it's but it's so sunny. It's better. That one? Maybe the sunny one. We were originally gonna go down that sunny side anyway, so let me just kind of capture. So we basically came down this way, then we're also gonna check out some of these housing too. So like check out all that housing like that. It's kind of like a labyrinth of stuff everywhere. And up the top too. Somebody hanging up some clothes up there too. So we're gonna go down the sunny one. This has a lot of these rooftops too. I see these all over Macau as well. Yeah, we're just gonna get totally lost in here. Laundry, long shadow. Oh, what's this? That's really residential. You hit it. Families enjoying New Year's Day. Let's take a workshop in there. The sun is quite bright, so I don't know how that'll come out later. Got all these cages everywhere. Okay, so it's kind of interesting. I'm just gonna keep walking this way, I guess. Yeah, actually this is the Taipei I wanted to get into anyways. Because you're on those main grids. It's like these big wide boulevards, but you get back in these little alleys like this. It's kind of cool. It's like, it's so interesting. There's all these little alleys like this everywhere. Let's walk into this real quick. Should I go that way? I think it looks like it goes out to another street. So we are going to take it. Now I can totally get lost. Yeah, actually these are all these little homes in here. But you know, things go like 3 or 4 stories everywhere in Taipei as far as I can tell. So let me just see if we can get across here. Let him go. Yeah, this is where you want a moped. Just park right next to your apartment in these alleys. You can't do that with a car. Whoa. Looks like it could go out into the street, but huh. Look at the temple right there. We're gonna come out into this little spot of these new apartments right here. This looks so out of place. Like I'm actually feel kind of disappointed to see that. Okay, so the battery just died, overheated. I might have some overheating battery problems coming up pretty quick. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm still kind of deciding which way to go. A lot of different directions I could go. I like the alleys. I like the ones that are most narrow. But I think this is gonna lead into a road. Okay. Let's go down this one then. Alright, it's gonna lead to a road too. So I think actually what my understanding of Taipei is it's like really, really boxy. And then inside the boxes, it can like these lanes everywhere, but they're also very straight and linear too. So everything's kind of straight and linear, and it's pretty hard to get lost. And then when you're inside your box, like I felt that when I was in Jimending, actually all the neighborhoods, just like they're like you're in your box, and then there's big giant roads, boulevards, that kind of like define your block. And then they're kind of like I don't really want to cross those roads. Like I kind of want to stay inside my block. So I feel like things get within the block, like there's a lot of businesses that are in your block. Like if you lived in this block, you'd probably just try to frequent the businesses in your block. Like you wouldn't try to cross the main boulevards and go to another block, into another residential, unless it was something, you know, really special or whatever. But yeah, I feel like most of these things are just like basics things, you know, like your typical stores and stuff like that. Anyways, I think this is kind of typical Taipei as far as I can tell. And I think what we're gonna do is come out of our block, just so you can see what I mean by starting in the block and coming out of the block. And if I remember right, I'll even call this inside the block. Now we're gonna come outside of our block, and then I'll show you what I mean by these big intimidating roads that, like, you know, if I'm in this block, I don't really feel like walking over there to the other block just to meander into the middle of it. You know, I've probably got everything I need right here already. Okay. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to end this video, but before I do, I'm going to pull out my my phone. With the phone, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pinpoint exactly where we are, so you can see exactly where we are right now. And so let me pull that out right now. Then we're going to do Google Maps. And there we go. So now you can see exactly where we are. So and just to give a little context for people that might not know, we're basically right there. Not too far from Zhongshan, actually, because I went to that Coffee Dumbo the other day. Okay. So let's end this one. Okay, that was another shoot of Taipei. There's so much more to see, so just keep on checking the channel and checking it all out. Come on, let's go. Toma cuidado la voz